Guys, we got some good news this morning.
Sure did.
Meet the Mitchell family.
Good morning, MTM. We are just getting ready to go to the gym and wake up, and I feel blessed, because there's so many things happening right now. As I said in the last episode of MTM, that it's just a flood of things and things that I've been wanting to do, things that I've had on my mind, that I've been holding off. And I say, you know what? This is the season when I'm going to take on everything. And then even bigger than that, everything is lining up so well. And sometimes you're led to believe that it's a coincidence. But I'm not looking at it like that. I'm looking at it like it's an alignment. When you look at it like that now, you kind of understand now. You realize that there's a divine correspondence to what is happening. And it builds the conviction that this is placed in front of you for a very special reason. And when you look at things like that, you don't take it on like, oh, it's my human achievement. You know that you can't leave out God out of it. And then you ask for the guidance. And once you ask for the guidance, then God, who is the master, is going to speak through you. Because all we are now are just mouthpieces. All we are just channels. We are the instruments. So if we ask for the guidance and allow God to come through, that is when our creativity is going to be at its best. Because it's bigger than us now. It comes through the divine spirit of inspiration and not just our human minds. Right there, so greatness start. Me not ask you. Right now, I'm just saying, I'm prompting you guys to just ask for the guidance in everything that you do. Ask the Father God to step in and use you to be the great instrument. You know what I'm saying? Ask and it shall be given.
Everybody laugh after me, Ivy. Everybody laugh after me yesterday. Yeah, man, them laugh after me because you said Dada instead of Mama. Yeah, them say she took you for a joke. Oh, it's okay though. I love you same way. Stand up here. A lot of people say that we need to get a gate for the stairs. And I have to tell you, this is let's start with Gio. We never had no gate for any of the kids. We always just work it and watch them. That first step, as you see, is a bit funny to put a gate on it, so we just never did. And once we didn't put one there, we didn't put one on the top step. So yeah, that's the deal. I don't know if you can hear that coffee machine going on underneath it.
My guy, like you wake up good, yes?
I can never wake up good.
Can never wake up good.
Until I play a game, a really hard boss fight, I can never wake up.
Watch no bother with that. And the game things soon get banned.
Just remember that yesterday video didn't have them eating the hot dogs. So it didn't have that part with Jackson.
No.
I have to put it in now because it was so funny.
You have to add that in.
Next video.
I'll put it in there.
It's not easy.
Let the sauce out.
Oh.
It is at. Let me tell you about this right here. Yum Yum sauce is where it's at. That's where it's at.
Oh, hot.
I've only ever seen it at Low Shoe Stand, but I don't know if it's anywhere else. And it's delicious. You should try it. It goes on everything. We made fried chicken the other day and we put it on there. Ooh. So good. Oh my god. And then for all of my Trinities, we mix the little Berties into the Yum Yum.
Because I don't train that Bertie.
Daddy, who kidnapped Atlas and who is this?
Who is this? Remember saying, it's a birthday boy now. My big boy is like 7 now, so it's not like one time Atlas when he was a little boy.
No, man act like him have suit and tie on a date night with one really bad girl, but him really want, and him act nice.
What is?
If I don't laugh, I cry here.
What is?
No, but can't bother.
What did you say?
It's my bad girl, yeah. It's my bad girl, yeah.
See my bad girl here. You ready for your dinner now? I made their dinner. You ready for yours now?
Okay. We just come out of the gym and me still reminisce on the moment when Jackson say, "That's it, like if I try impress some bad girl. Tell me you have a big brother without telling me you have a big brother.
True. That's
Telling me
exactly-
that you're fasting in your big brother conversations.
True.
Without telling me that you're fasting.
True.
What him know about bad girl? And it's Atlas too, because Atlas know exactly what I'm talking about, you know. No,
I
look
can't
at them,
bother them
man.
growing up too fast. It's too much. It's
They
too
are
much.
growing up too fast.
So what's on the agenda today, Mr. Mitchell?
Bare things.
Like what's up?
Bagger thing.
Really?
Yeah.
Like what? You not tell me?
Personal things plus general things plus family things.
Like what?
One month or
What's up?
something. While I've meeting and them thing there.
Jeez, I did forget about that meeting there in the workout.
Remember you have to go collect that thing.
Right.
Yeah, bank move.
Oh,
Bagger thing people, and then me have some house cleaning.
house
For my-
cleaning?
Know that them call it?
Housekeeping.
Housekeeping. Cleaning, keeping, basic.
No, sir.
Housekeeping. Remember
I'm
some just
good.
come out of the oxygen and come in and brain it. Yeah guys, so it's a portion of thing. And sometimes I wonder if I'm crazy if I take on something. If we are crazy for taking out all of what we take on, and then I just
It's
think
true.
to myself, hell no, all of my
Yeah.
inspiration, everybody who I look up to as an icon, as a mogul, did this and much
And
more.
much more.
You know,
and
I made it look
these
easy.
are the years. These are the years to do it. I went to CVM yesterday to do my run through with IT. We meet up every week to discuss all kinds of things. We're in some I don't want to say training, but you know, kind of like just getting familiar with the space, with teleprompters and you know things like that.
Yeah, it's
And that me
crazy.
have to do. I have to go do my IFB. I have to go to get the mold done for my earpiece.
Yeah. It's crazy how our ambition is kind of pulling us away from the time that we've spent together. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Meaning you're going in one direction to go and accomplish something, and
Yeah.
then I think it's good because like we learn that in our principles of business, division of labor. We
absolutely.
divide and we conquer.
And we've had a lot of years where we've been building together. Now it's time to build separately while we build together.
Exactly.
at the
And you
same
know
time.
them say too much is given, much is expected. And Father God give me 5 pick me. So him expect we if you do some work
That is it.
to mind them.
That is it.
So
Right.
you say, yeah, go for your medicine.
Yes. He calls my coffee my medicine.
Patient one of
Every time I call, they're like, "This is the hospital. What can I get you?" And I say, "Is Dr. Morrison there?" That's the lady who made the coffee. She said, "Yes." I said, "Please let her know her patient is coming to pick up her prescription."
I don't know mad people.
Okay guys, I literally came home and went straight into the office to get some work done. This office has been such a blessing. Just literally the ability to kind of just lock away and get some work done, some, you know, very targeted, quiet time is amazing. So often I'll come home from the gym, put Ivy down for her little nap. By the way, I'll have you know that while I was putting her down, she said, "Mama," twice. So today might be my day. But I still haven't showered, and I'm now wondering if we should just tackle the day in our workout clothes and call it an extended workout. Can't go to meeting like this though, but we have things to do. So let's see. Also, we have started to talk about the possibilities as it pertains to our bedroom, bathroom. Not saying that we're doing it. I'm just saying we have started to talk about what that could possibly look like. I'm not gonna lie, Andrew, our contractor, he came over the other day and he just kind of blew our minds wide open. You know, when you're thinking you're going to do something one way and then he's like, "But what about this?" So he has us kind of dreaming at the moment, and I don't know if that's a good thing or a bad thing. Anyway.
Alright guys, so we just do some work at home a little while ago and we're heading back out on the road now. I'm hungry, like dog, work out from morning and just I go just water me a drink, so probably grab something to eat, and we have some errands to run on the road and things, so just forward with us and let's see how it goes.
We stopped to get a little food, guys. Our usual, well, one of our favorite places is Pepper Time, as you know. We got some nice roast breadfruit. Actually, can you hold this on me? And some roast breadfruit. You got corn too. Some nice steamed veg. beautiful corn and chicken.
This is where it came with the corn.
Where's this girl cannot go on? Oh my gosh, it smells divine.
I got breast for you.
Thank you.
Extra protein.
That is it. And then we'll just do a little, I have to show them this. Just do a little ketchup. And then a little pepper.
Make it better.
That's
Murder.
it.
Murder.
Oh my god, guys. It is raining.
Finally.
Finally, but man, we just get our wet up there. I guess we have to go straight home.
I know.
We've been doing some stuff on the road, guys, but as you know, sometimes it gets away with us and we just have to get it done. We're gonna go home and get ready because we have a meeting in an hour that we have to go to. So let's do that.
Meeting in an hour, so we'll go home and shower.
That is the power.
That is the power.
We're going to bed and scour.
Like how we just eat some food, we'll devour.
Nice dumpling they make from flour.
Like you connect like a cell phone tower.
Oh no. Oh no, I don't have anything else to add.
So wash it coming
You're
like the
good.
Ark of Noah.
Goodbye.
Place need it. Watch it, the grass yellow. Right now it's raining rats and frogs. Yeah man. Cats and dogs, you know. Wow, nice.
Good girl.
Yay. Nice.
Good job, baby.
We just got this toy for her and she's loving it. Oh.
Here you go. Look at this, Mama. Wow.
Yes, we got you that. Ozzy, you can write on it.
A lot of you always ask what the bubble tea is, or boba tea, bubble tea. I get the brown sugar one.
How do they find must know bubble tea though?
But it's, I mean, you either like it or you don't like it. But these are like tapioca balls at the bottom. This is the brown sugar one.
Got any balls? What? Give my mouth to the gutter.
Whenever Terry sees me drinking this, she gags.
Why?
Because she says the thought of those
Oh no, if you don't drink it right,
slimy, chewy balls,
it will beat your body.
she don't love that. She's very like texturally strange about like things like that. I love it. I just got 3. Would you ever know me I drink this right now?
Guys, we got some good news this morning.
Sure did. I heard from Angie today. And Malaika surgery went very well. She's in recovery. And Angie went to go see her today, so I'm hoping to get an update like later on. But Angie gave me the go ahead to let you all know that surgery is done. And even though this is the beginning of another road for Malaika, it was definitely, I mean, it had gotten really bad, you know, guys, and it was just imperative that she had it done as soon as possible. And I just can't help but say thank you to everybody again who gave something, big, small, in between, We're so
Even
grateful.
if it's prayers and good vibes.
Prayers, good vibes, telling somebody, man, let me tell you something, guys. What a thing. And I will never forget this. And I don't think Angie will ever forget it, or Malaika or their family. We're just praying that she just recover fully, completely, 100%, and that she just gets a new lease on life and another chance. Boy, it feel big win. I feel like me get the surgery. I tell you. So this community that is MTM, that was such a big part of it. I'm not saying it's the only people who did, but after we put it out there to you all just took a different level of commitment towards it.
Move the needle in a
bucket, man.
And I think it can also be the beginning of some great stuff, because when we do things in numbers, it's powerful, and it doesn't rely on any one person to overextend themselves. You know what I'm saying? Everybody does throw a thing, and then by the time we look, we reach to the mountain, and we can do things and make things happen, people. So yeah.
Honestly, big up to everybody. Thank you again, and I will do my best to keep you posted within reason as she takes the next step, you know. But I was really happy to hear that, especially because, you know, they had been through so much leading up to it, and there was so much back and forth, and well, it was a lot. It was a lot. So we give thanks, trust me.
Definitely.
We just want our ball. You know, drink here, so come. You have to mix it up in a cup. Tapioca ball is kind of warm.
Drink that on the screen, isn't it?
Okay. Say have rehearsals again today?
Oh, for those who want to know, because you know the family, them want to know what I go on. Rehearsals, my first couple of rehearsals have been really good. I'm learning so much and enjoying it. I'm enjoying it. It's like my little evening relax, but still, it's like I feel like I'm doing so much during the day, and then here comes the end of the day when I'm doing more. So it's like maximizing the day. I just feel like super productive, and I feel like I'm learning and getting sharper. You know what I'm saying?
Feel good.
So yeah.
And it's fun.
Yeah. I'm looking forward to what the results will
And
be.
it's really nice because you're tapping into another part of yourself. Like there's nothing quite like that. And then uncovering that, you know, it's like this gift within you. And why am I telling you, we can't curse the pandemic and all these things, but boy, whole heap of we learn things about ourselves too. Whole heap of we find whole heap of things to do. And like I said, discoveries and
because I never want to eat that something and talk, you know.
Never Zoom.
I get too much in my mouth one time.
How much you suck up, so?
Same reason I'm never want to trouble this thing, you know.
Man, when them fly out of your nose, you know, something fly out of your nose, you go all the way, Lord. Ew! Yuck!
Oh my
Yuck!
God. I know she's gonna slow it down, people. It's okay. They've never asked her.
Yuck! You sure nothing in your nose? Let's go home before we choke on our balls.